Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be painting this cute little bunny on this canvas. I'm super excited because it's almost Easter and this is a perfect gift for one of your family members or your friends. So let's get started. And just letting you know, it comes with a canvas with guidelines, 6 tubes of acrylic paint, and 1 artist brush. So let's open it. There's a hole already in the back. And I also have some water here and this to put the paint on. I'll just put that there. So let's see what colors we got. Oh. So it looks like we got the colors white, yellow, pink, purple, blue, and green. So those are all the colors. And then our paintbrush. I'm just gonna pop out the colors. White, yellow, pink, purple, blue, and green. Okay, now I'm gonna start painting it. So first I'm gonna take some pink and paint the inside of its ears. Okay, now I'm going to do its little nose while I'm using the pink. There. Now I'm gonna clean off my brush because I'm going to need to do a different color, but I don't want the colors to mix. And when you're painting, you might want to roll up your sleeves because you might get some paint on your shirt or sweater, whatever you're wearing. Now I'm going to do the sun, so I'm going to take the yellow and just start painting. There, we're finally done. Okay, I'm gonna do a different color now. What should I do? Maybe I'll do these eggs, but like different colors. I'll make one purple, maybe pink, blue. Just got cleaned off my brush. There. Okay, now I'm gonna take my purple and I'm just going to color or paint that egg. Because these are Easter eggs, not eggs that we eat, but they might be chocolate eggs. Okay, now I'm going to paint the basket. So I'm gonna do it yellow and then I might do the towel. I'll do it yellow too. Okay. What should we do next? Let's do this bird. Okay, I think I'm gonna make its body a bright color. I'm gonna make it a light purple. So if you want like a color lighter, all you gotta do is take some white and then some purple and then mix them together. It will kind of make it like a pastel-y color. So I'm just going to take some of that white, put it right there, and then some of that purple. Mix it in. Oh, that actually looks really nice. Okay, well, while I'm using the pink, I think I'm gonna do this little butterfly because I was planning on to do it pink, but I want it very light. So I'm gonna take some pink and then some white. Now I'm gonna do one of the eggs. Which one should I do? This one, or this one? I'm gonna do this one. So I'm gonna do this one. Okay, now that we're done this egg, I'm gonna start this egg. So I think I'm gonna do it green and yellow. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna start the other egg. So I'm going to do the other egg pink and purple. I just have to. I love the colors pink and purple. Okay, now I'm going to do this cute little flower because it's just waiting there. It's just waiting there. Okay, I think I'm going to do it light pink because I have like, like, there's not much left. Like, that much. It's right there. And then I'll do the middle yellow. I haven't been using that much yellow. Like, there's only 2 things or 3 things that are yellow. Oh no. That was easy. I just put my finger there. Okay. Now I'm going to do the yellow for in the middle. Gotta be careful because it's such a small space. Okay, now I'm going to do the bunny's feet, which are pink. Okay, now I'm going to do the grass in the background. Okay. Now, I think I'm going to sky the light blue, so I got make some light blue because I never made light blue. And I'm not going to use the blue again, so I think I'm just going to use all the blue. Because the sky is probably going to, like, need so much blue. Because look at, there's, like, so much space that you could use. But you don't have to do the sky. You could make just, like, clouds. If you take, like, a black marker and then just draw the clouds. Okay, now I'm going to take some white. I'm not going to take all of it just in case I'm still going to use it. I'm not going to make the like the sky so light because skies aren't super duper light. Sometimes they're dark. Okay, I think that's good. Think that's good? Yeah, I think it's good. I'm just going to turn my canvas around so it's easier for me to paint it. I'm just going to roll up my sleeves again. Almost done. And I get to do the mouth and the belly. There. Now, let's make some very light pink because I'm going to make the belly very light. Okay, so now I'm going to use some dark blue to put my name. I mean dark purple. It's a little hard because I'm using a paintbrush. There. Okay, so now we're done and it looks amazing and it's perfect for your friends or family or your grandparents. So hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. So bye guys.